Hello, you are watching Unipro UGENE podcast. We discuss the hottest topics introduced by our users and show the helpful ways of using UGENE, a free cross-platform genome analysis suite. Welcome to our What's New in UGENE video. Today, UGENE version 1.7.1 is out, and in this video we will discuss the new features of UGENE 1.7.1. The big innovation of this release is UGENE Dotplot plugin. It allows effective visualization and comparison of two biological sequences with identifying the regions of similarity. Let's compare the two loaded sequences. To do this, I will drag the lower sequence object into the sequence view of the upper object. A multiple sequence view has been created. Now I right-click at the view and select Analyze, Build Dotplot. You can also use Tools menu. The opened dialog box allows to specify which sequence will be represented at which axis. The algorithm and repeats finding options to identify the similarity regions. We press OK, and the Dotplot view is created and opened. Mouse scroll is used to zoom. The middle mouse button or the minimap help navigating the dotplot. Also, dragging the mouse cursor, you can select the dotplot graph area, and the corresponding regions will automatically be selected at the related sequence views. To select a particular repeat on dotplot view, simply click near it. The new version of ChromaView plugin allows creating reverse and complement chromatograms, exporting chromatograms, and viewing multiple chromatogram views. To perform the first two actions, right-click at the chromatogram object and select Export Chromatogram. In the opened dialog box, you can select if you need the resulting chromatogram to be reversed and complemented. After pressing Export, the chromatogram is created and, with the corresponding checkbox activated, is saved and added to the project. To browse the source and resulting chromatograms simultaneously, I will drag one sequence object into the view of another one. Now I click the Log Scales button, and all the views operations are synchronized. Also, the UGENE supported file formats list has been extended with Sequence Alignment and Modeling (SAM) and Phred Quality Scores formats. You can import the scores into a sequence and then save the result into FASTQ or SAM format file. The operation can be done with the new Convert Sec Qual Pair to FASTQ Workflow Designer schema. I have opened the schema. Path to the sequence goes to the input file parameter value of the sequence ready process. Input parameter value of the import Phred qualities process will contain the path to the qualities file. Finally, we define the resulting FASTQ file and press Run Schema. Another way to perform the import is to use UGENE command line interface. We open console and type UGENE join -quality -in equals to path to the input sequence, -quality equals to path to the qualities file, and -out equals to path to the resulting FASTQ. And press Enter. The operation is done. Going back to Workflow Designer, it's noteworthy that there are new sample and command line schemes for DNA assembly plugin. Let's align to reference with UGENE Genome Aligner by performing the corresponding scheme. I specify the short reads input file for the short reads loader process, output file path and format for the write alignment process. The reference sequence file path and the assembly options are adjustable from UGENE Genome Aligner process. When done, I press Run Schema. DNA assembly plugin itself absorbed new options. Let's open the plugins dialog. For UGENE Genome Aligner, it is now possible to align reverse reads and to specify whether or not the reference sequence must be placed into the resulting alignment. Also, bow tie aligner options were integrated. Batch processing feature has been added to the weight matrix plugin. Now you can add a selected matrix with specified score and algorithm to the matrices list by pressing Add to Queue. The plugin will search with all the matrices specified in this list. Also, you can export the created matrices list into a CSV file and load existing matrices lists. The Restriction Sites search plugin is extended with the circular option. When it's checked, the plugin will treat the sought for sequence as circular, and the results will include ones that cross the end of the sequence. Another new feature for a Restriction Sites search is ability to select the enzymes that are long enough by pressing Select by Length. All the proper enzymes from the loaded database will be selected. Last but not least, UGENE improvement that we will mention in this video is Smith-Waterman algorithm optimization for GPUs. The algorithm performance with NVIDIA Tesla is more than 10 times faster than with the new quad processor. Have a good time working with UGENE. Thank you for watching.